Ever wondered how to make perfect pancakes from scratch? The aroma of fresh, homemade pancakes is sure to enthrall not just the senses, but also the hearts of those lucky enough to taste them. Today, the secret to creating this breakfast magic will be revealed. First up, gather the ingredients. The essentials include all-purpose flour, a couple of large eggs, milk, and a touch of butter. For a dash of sweetness, sugar is a must, and to make them light and fluffy, a pinch of baking powder does the trick. Begin by taking 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour in a large mixing bowl. To this, add 3.5 teaspoons of baking powder, a tablespoon of sugar, and a half teaspoon of salt. Mix these dry ingredients well to ensure an even distribution. Next, crack open 2 large eggs into the bowl. Pour in 1.25 cups of milk, followed by 3 tablespoons of melted butter. It's important to remember to let the butter cool a bit before adding it to prevent cooking the eggs prematurely. Now comes the fun part. Mix all these ingredients together until the batter is smooth. It's okay if there are a few lumps here and there. They'll give the pancakes a bit of character. Heat up a lightly oiled griddle or frying pan over medium-high heat. Pour or scoop the batter onto the griddle, using approximately 1/4 cup for each pancake. Watch for bubbles on the surface of the pancakes. When they start to pop and form holes that stay open, that's the cue to flip them over. Cook until both sides are golden brown, and then they're ready to serve. The final touch is the garnishing. Drizzle on some maple syrup, sprinkle a dusting of powdered sugar, or add a dollop of whipped cream. For a healthier option, top with fresh fruits like blueberries or sliced bananas. To summarize, making perfect pancakes involves mixing flour, baking powder, sugar, and salt, adding eggs, milk, and melted butter, and stirring until smooth. The batter is then poured onto a hot, lightly oiled griddle, and the pancakes are flipped when bubbles form and stay open on the surface. The final touch is the garnishing. Drizzle on some maple syrup, sprinkle a dusting of powdered sugar, or add a dollop of whipped cream. For a healthier option, top with fresh fruits like blueberries or sliced bananas. There you have it. The art of making perfect pancakes, demystified. Now it's time to put these tips to the test and whip up a batch of homemade pancakes that will leave everyone asking for more. Enjoy! Kindly subscribe to this channel for more valuable information. Use the link below to assess ingredients for your pancakes.